Anyone can write a playbook that installs updates. That's not enterprise patching. Enterprise patching is orchestrating the entire lifecycle. Snapshots before changes, health checks, controlled rollout to reduce downtime, validation after every step, rollback when needed, and reporting for compliance. Today I'm going to show you how to build all of that and more with Ansible Automation Platform using a single workflow that patches both RHEL and Windows. Here's our environment. We've got 5 hosts deployed in AWS using the deploy cloud stack workflow, 2 RHEL machines, a RHEL 9 report server, and 2 Windows Server 2019 instances. This is a mixed fleet, just like you'd see in production. Here's the workflow. It starts with an EBS snapshot of every instance. That's our safety net. Then it fans out into parallel paths. RHEL precheck and Windows precheck run at the same time. If advisories are found, we patch. If patching succeeds, we verify with the post check. If that fails, we automatically restore from that snapshot. And no matter what, we generate a compliance report at the end. Let's launch it. The survey asks for an AWS region, specific RHEL advisories. These are real Red Hat Security Advisory and CVEs and Windows KB IDs. We're not just running yum update everything, we're targeting specific security advisories with a full audit trail. Watch the workflow execute. The snapshot will complete. All 5 instances are backed up, including that report server. Now the precheck fans out in parallel. RHEL and Windows are being scanned simultaneously. 1 workflow, 2 operating systems, 0 extra effort. Prechecks passed, patching is now running. Notice the routing logic here. Success goes to post-check, failure would go to restore. This is the kind of change management safety net that resonates with every IT director I've ever talked to. Everything completed successfully. Let's look at the output. RHEL hosts, target advisories applied, no reboot required. Windows hosts, KBs checked and resolved. And if we had a host that wasn't registered with a Red Hat subscription manager, it would gracefully skip RHEL patching instead of failing the whole workflow. Now I'm going to navigate to the report. Here's an artifact you hand to your auditor. The compliance report is an HTML dashboard generated automatically on the report server. At the top, summary stats: 5 hosts, 5 compliant, 0 vulnerable. Each row shows the host name, the operating system, RHEL 8, RHEL 9, Windows Server, the compliance status, whether a reboot is pending, and all outstanding advisories. Click the advisory count to expand the full list. This report was generated by Ansible, not a separate CMDB. Everything stays in one tool. That's enterprise patching in less than 3 minutes. Snapshot safety, parallel execution, automatic rollback, and a compliance report your auditor will love. Everything you just saw is open source in the Ansible product demos repo, link in the description. Thanks for watching.